Editing, please stop. Editing isn't just putting clips together. It's a tool we use to ensure that the less valuable pieces of the video clips that we film get removed in favor of a more cohesive and digestible experience for the viewer. Editing is about respect. Specifically, it's about respecting the viewer's time. On a platform where a million other videos are just one click away, your job is to remove the fat, keep the energy high, and ensure every second of your video earns its place. Today, we're looking at 4 editing pillars that will ensure your content traverses the hurdles of growing from a rough draft into a professional grade video. The single most underrated aspect of video creation for a vast majority of creators isn't the video itself, it's the audio. It's a hard truth for many filmmakers to hear, but it needs to be said. Audio is more important than video. Not that the video should be discarded in favor of the audio, but that the video will only ever be as good as the audio allows it to be. A viewer will sit through a video that is slightly out of focus or features a shot that isn't perfectly staged and lighted if the message is clear. But try filming outside on a windy day and see how well you can keep a viewer to watch a video marred with that wind noise. They will click away instantly if the audio is peaked out, too quiet, or distorted. Notice the dramatic difference a little audio engineering can make on a video clip.
I get such a kick out of this. You can see that even in a big time motion picture like Star Wars, if you don't have the right audio, then this entire scene is suddenly not the epic moment that we all remember from the movie. It's now a total comedy. Just remember that when you are building a scene, when you're creating something even as simple as a talking head video like this, the audio is of the utmost importance. So I'll go ahead and move on to the next point now.
Speaking of things that filmmakers and content creators hate to hear, let's talk about editing. You have to be ruthless. Unless a pause is specifically designed for dramatic effect, it needs to go. Use tight jump cuts to remove every and awe and long breath. These pauses aren't seen as natural. They're seen as dead air. If it doesn't add value to the sentence, it's just noise. Cut it. While you're at it, you should review all your footage once you have completed the rough cuts. These are when you dump all your footage into the timeline and make your first run of cuts through these clips. Expect that you are going to need to go in and eliminate all of the other things that are not necessary. Anytime you go off on a tangent that doesn't add to the overall topic of the video, anytime you have extended clips that just run a little too long, or you have sections that break the pacing of your overall video, you are going to want to make the tough decision as to whether or not it is necessary to actually keep that footage. If it is too much, or it is holding back this video for the sake of the audience and your analytics, let it go and try again next time. It is not uncommon for over half of your filmed content to hit the cutting room floor. Your video can start to feel sterile and static if you only use simple transitions. This is where L and J cuts come in. A J cut is when the audio of the next scene starts before the video does, like this. This is a J cut into my description of L cuts. An L cut is when the audio of the current scene continues into the next visual. They make your transitions feel seamless and much more professional. The biggest mistake that I personally tend to make is when I fall into being a talking head for 10 minutes straight. No matter how charismatic you are, the eye needs variety. Follow the rule of show, don't tell. Whenever you describe a concept, a location, or a piece of gear, use B-roll or stock footage to illustrate that. I did an entire video on the best free tools for B-roll available to YouTube creators, and I'm using some of those examples here. Visual evidence reinforces your words and gives the viewer's brain a break from focusing solely on your face. Your video is going to live and die by the topic and the way you go about capturing that topic on camera. By prioritizing audio, being ruthless with your cuts, and using some simple but professional transitions, you are proving to your audience that their time is valuable to you, just like your time is valuable to me. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. I have a whole series of these quick tip videos that I'm putting together, and I would very much enjoy seeing you in that next video.